Hi, now I would like to show you how to do number 8, where you're making predictions, and it says use the prediction based on your scatter plot on how many sightings the BFRO could anticipate in your region for the rest of 2020 and 2021. So if you want to look at the scatter plot to make predictions, this would be an extrapolation of data because we don't have the 2020, like complete 2020 data yet, and we don't have 2021 data yet. And so what you're going to do is you're going to look at 2020, and by the end of the year, you could predict to have that many sightings, which would be, what is it, like, I can't really tell where that's at in the video. So close to 10, it looks like. So you could predict that there'd be 10 sightings in 2020. And then if you go over one more, it would be here on the edge, increase a little, it looks like maybe 11 sightings, or maybe 12 sightings, depending, my line's not very straight. So you're just looking at the graph, and you're going to where the graph meets the numbers in the grid. So like I said, this is extrapolation because it's outside the data that you do have. If I wanted you to predict how many sightings there would have been in 2010, there's not a point there. And so interpolating your data, or interpolating from your data, is you'll go up to the 10 and then find out where it goes over. So that's not necessarily part of this, but I wanted to show you. So interpolation is when it's inside the data range you have. Extrapolation is when it's outside your data range. So that's how you can use your scatter plot to come up with that.